presentation. This presentation is arranged by our Honorable Professor Dr. Dr. Lecturer Medicine, Dr. College and Hospital. I am Mohammad Hassan, group leader of 1921, and I would like to introduce my group member also. Thanks, all my group member. Now I introduce this medicine. The presented medicine is Selenium metallicum. At first, chemical body comes from the crab, kite, liver, fish, poultry, and white are generally good selenium sources. Next, the introduction of the medicine. The source, mineral source synonym is same, and proven name, first Dr. Herring introduced and proved their structure, and finally proved by Dr. Brice in 1873. Next, I describe the pathogenesis of selenium. Selenium has marked effects on the genitourinary organs and often involves the left supraorbital nerve, irritability or sleep, ejaculation, the clinical, alcoholism, comatose, constipation, hair falling out, loss of vital fluids, masturbation and sexual excess, overstudy, walking and exertion, and the constitution of this medicine. Physical makeup of the body adapted to light complexion and monads. There may be great maceration of face, hands, legs and feet, also with heat and cold, hot patient, and the margin is syphilis and sora. Now I invite my group member Azmina Sultana to continue the presentation.
Assalamualaikum. Thank you, my team leader Maruf Hassan. I am starting from characteristic symptoms. Extreme debility increases with heat of the atmosphere, wants to lie down and sleep. Excessive weakness that easily adjusted from labor after typhoid, typhus and seminal emission. All the complaints aggravated from hot weather, but patient also sensitive to draft of air. Falling of hair from skull, beard and genitalia in patches. Involuntary emission of prostatic fluid during straining at stool, sleeping and sitting. Increased sexual desire with physical impotency. Sensation in the tip of urethra as if a beating drop were coming from the urethra. And then mental general symptoms. Very forgetful in business, but dreams of what he had forgotten in half of asset condition. Great dullness with complete insensibility and indifference to his surroundings. Mental labor fatigues him. Lascivious thought with impotency, a kind of stammering. He uses levels of word in wrong connection, therefore pronounces some words incorrectly. And then physical general symptoms. Reaction to heat and cold, chilliness follows hot flashes. The constant alternation of heat and cold, appetite, anorexia in the morning with much motive of tongue, and hungry at night, desire, stimulants, brandy, tea, etc., aversion, salt food, inimical bad effect from salt food, tea, lemonade, perspiration. Perspiration from this exertion on chest, genitalia and axilla which leaves yellow or white spots on gillet and Stephen kiss. Sleep. Sleepless until midnight, often early in the morning and same hour. Walking early in the morning and always same hour.
My selected topic, particular symptoms. Headache due to desultory tea, lemonade and oil. Violent lancerating pain in above left eye. Headache every afternoon, worse while walking in the sun, wisdom order and tea and desire to lie down. Eye. Pains in deep in orbit, falling of eyebrows, hissing, basic of one eyebrows, irregular twisting of left eyebrow. Nose. Hissing in nose and nostril, European like nebulous in nose, fluent collagen in evening and both barrier of nose, affinity to both fingers into nose. Now I invite my next group member.
Islam Nurul Islam. I am presenting the gastrointestinal symptom of Selenium metallicum. Firstly, throat, dryness of throat, coughing of lump of mucus in morning, hoarseness from singing. Then mouth, pain under root of tongue, stammering speech with breath difficulty. Tongue loaded with a thick white coating in morning. Then stomach, inclination to vomit, cramp and pressure in stomach, feels very sick after sleep. After eating, pulsation all over, especially abdomen. Desire for brandy and other strong drink, sweetish taste. Hiccup and irritation after smoking. Lastly, abdomen, violent shooting in spleen while walking. In abdomen after eating. Left abdominal hyperesthesia is bleeding towards the left kidney area. Sensation of abdominal distension on the left side, ameliorated by pressure, aggravated by going to stool or by walking. Thank you. Now I try to invite my next number 3. Dr. Sandhu.
Even a mechanical aid to extend constipation from rectal illness with flatulence, stools, very difficult and present to their animals. Urine. Urine are red sediment like oats and dribbling of urine after micturition and after stool. Sensation in tip of urethra as if a biting drop while forcing the oil. The involuntary dribbling of urine while walking. Scanty and red in evening. Involuntary dribbling of urine while walking. Now I invite my next performer, Dr. Smith, to contribute the presentation.
Thank you to Wilson. Thanks my Korean teacher and all audience. Now I describe the reproductive system symptoms of this medicine. First of all, male reproductive system. Pollution with the facility of penis. Tickling and itching gentleness. Itching on endless semen. Discharge of semen drop by drop and during sleep. Diarrhea and irritation after position. Prostatic juice oozing while sitting, during sleep, while walking and at stool. And it also has usually chronic bleed, bad voting, chronic urethritis and papilloma on penis. And especially female reproductive system carries some symptoms like anemia, menses, copious, early, dark and scanty and painful. Menses pain on first day means delayed about 8 days. And especially symptoms, it's thrombing pain in abdomen during pregnancy. Now I invite my group leader to be continuing the presentation and present.
Thanks all of my group members for a small presentation. Now I discuss the general modalities of this medicine: aggravation, death of air in the sun from lemonade, tea or wine after sleep. Question and amelioration are taking cold water, cold air into the mouth and after sunset. Side effects of selenium. The limited use of selenium in low potency is very useful, but the excess of this remedy may cause some problems such as nausea, vomiting, hair loss, nail beetles, fatigue, muscle tenderness, irritability, shakiness, weight loss, etc. And people may also experience breathing difficulty, itching, swelling of the throat or mouth. And the relationship of this medicine. Phosphorus are compared for this in genitourinary and respiratory system. Arsentum nitricum ammonium for nervous exertion and extreme weakness in respiratory tract. And the caladium is caladium nitricum, nitricum carbonicum and staphylococcus. And I already discussed about the symptoms of Selenium metallicum, but it has some special uses. And these are heart problems, cancer prevention. We do not have any lower chance of having heart disease. And beta carotene does not lower the overall chance of developing cancer of any type. And the skin cancer, it helps prevent skin cancer. Taking homeopathic medicine, tincture of selenium does not seem to lessen the danger of getting a particular type of skin cancer recognized as basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma. Next, have any query?
My question next one is, what type of perspiration is selenium?
This question answered.
It's a very interesting symptom of selenium. Perspiration from, please take question. on chest, genitalia, axilla, which leaves yellow or white spots on males and stifles. I am Rehma Chatterjee, book 1971. My question is, what are the use of Selenia medica in cancer?
Thank you. I have already discussed this. Homeopathic medicine of selenium, mixture of vitamin C, carotene, beta carotene, is prevent any type of cancer.
Skin cancer.
Any type of cancer. And this is our presentation. And at last, I thanks our honorable Dr. Prashant Dr. and thanks for all the audience.
Thank you.